Welcome to Bird Planet. Look at these guys. This dude right here in the middle.
Talking.
He's punking everyone because he doesn't want anyone to come to his chips. There we go. Look at.
See? He's protecting his pile.
Why are you trying to hug up all the chips, dude? Damn. See, he's the only one approaching it because everyone else is scared to come. Oh, what a dick. Look, he's the only one coming. Look, see all these other birds? They won't approach because this guy in the middle right here.
He's protecting.
He's protecting the pile.
Every man for himself. Go in.
You send your sister first. Go. I'll right behind you. I'll get to the side.
Look at this guy.
Now they don't want to come in. You can only get your wings. Oh. Yeah, dude. He looks big too when he flares up like that. The other one's over there just chilling.
Crazy birds of Huntington Beach.